Hey everyone, now this is another in a series of how-to videos on improving your photography. Today, in a few short minutes, we'll have a look at a remarkable photo editor that's affordable, easy to learn, and gives exciting results. Now we're using the On1 Photo Raw to quickly edit and then extremely crop an image. So, with no further ado, let's have a look. Regular lenses are limited in how close they can get to a subject, but you can easily go from this to this, or this, heck, or even this, with On1 Photo Raw. First, select the photo you want to edit. Then, go to the Edit tab. As you can see, this image is not very exciting. It's a bit soft and it's really not very well composed. So let's see what we can do with it. I'll start with the AI Auto Edit. Now you can see an immediate improvement, but I'm just making a small adjustment to the strength of the Auto Edit. Next, I'll crop the photo to create a much better composition. I'm going to use a 4:5 ratio for this crop. Notice how well On1 Photo Raw handles this extreme crop. But we can do even more by going to the noise reduction and tack sharp tools. Now here we can select noise reduction, sharpening, or both. And with my camera system I usually select both. You'll see a preview of the possible result, and you can compare the unedited with the edited version using this slider. If it looks like what you want, select the Apply button. Now the actual processing of the request will vary in length depending on how detailed the image is and the power of your particular system. My system's a few years old, so I'll speed up the video here so you don't have to wait too long. However, the actual processing time with my system was still only a little over a minute. So, here we are back in the Edit tab. With my camera system, I like to add the dynamic contrast filter under the Effects tab. That's not necessary, it's just a personal preference. Now, as with everything in On1 Photo Raw, you can adjust it to your own liking. If you're satisfied with the result, you can simply export as the file type and size that you want. Now, can we get good results by cropping even further with On1? Well, let's see. We'll try a square crop coming in real close to the subject. I'm just adjusting the composition a bit here. And then select Apply, and there you have it. On1 does a great job of resizing and gives an excellent result. And again, you can simply export if you wish. But let's see if we can turn this into a macro image using just On1 Photo Raw. Wow, how great is this? From this to this in only a few easy clicks. And again, we can simply select export and get the file type and image size we want. On1 Photo Raw makes it simple with a vast number of options to choose from. When I get a chance, I'll do another video on how easy it is to export your images from On1 Photo Raw. So, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you're notified when new videos are uploaded. But just so you know, exporting is relatively quick as well. That's it, all done. Well, as you can see, On1 Photo Raw does an exceptional job at retaining detail, even under the most trying circumstances. So are you ready to try it out? Look, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can use to download a free trial version. By the way, I've done another video on how to create macro photographs. And there's a link above so you can watch that. Well, I hope this information is helpful for you. I'd like to hear from you, so leave me a comment or drop me a message. Oh, and like the video. Subscribe to the channel and then hit that bell so that you're notified when new videos are uploaded. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy your day. I'm wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.